Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and we recently unboxed and reviewed the OnePlus 6. You can find that video somewhere linked here, but today we received the Avengers edition OnePlus 6. So this is an edition that a lot of people are excited about, and we are going to unbox this right now. And also the OnePlus 6 Avengers edition phone is going on sale today, so you'll find the link in the description. If you do want to go and book your OnePlus 6, you can do that with the link in the description. So without any further ado, I am as excited as you are. Let's get into this unboxing. So now let's get into the box and let's take the plastic film apart. Am I cutting through the right side? But no. Okay. I think we've gotten into the box. Yes. So removing the plastic cover, the first thing that is very clearly visible is the Avengers logo in a carbon fiber Kevlar look, and it is indicative of how the back of the OnePlus 6 is going to look. So that is the front. There's this OnePlus logo and a Marvel logo, and at the back it's pretty clean with just the specifications. So you have the 256 GB version coming with the Avengers edition, and it's a carbon black, so you'll just in a while realize why it's called the carbon black. It will fall any minute. So that is the box. Let's keep that aside, and here is the Avengers Infinity War edition, and Aryan here on camera is getting real excited. Yeah. So there's the phone. The front looks pretty normal. It's like any other OnePlus 6, but the back, as you can see, that's the most unique OnePlus 6 look. So it's a glass back. It's still a glass back, but there is a Kevlar pattern under the glass, and it looks really cool. So other differences that you'll find is the Avengers logo, which is very clearly visible, and a golden alert slider. So this is a gold and black edition for the OnePlus 6. So if you are a fan of the gold and black color, or clearly if you're a fan of Avengers, then you should surely get this. So there's the golden accented alert slider. We'll keep the phone aside for a bit. I'll keep it like this. We'll take a look at what else we get inside the box. So this opens up like that, and is there anything inside? No, I don't think so. Let's take this aside. So that's a very unique unboxing experience. So here, yes, we get a special note which says, it says a lot of things. Basically, you can take a look at it, and if you want, you can pause the video and read if you want to. I'm not going to waste time on it. So I think you all also need the surprise of reading it yourself when you buy the phone. So if you are buying the phone, don't read this. Read this on your own. Let's keep that aside. And this is the stock dash charger that you get with any OnePlus phone, and that's what you get inside this box. Then you also do get a red colored cable that also comes with any other OnePlus box. So this is pretty normal standard stuff. Here inside the box we get a SIM tool and a case. So I am very sure that all of you are seeing the thing that's below this box, but let's not reveal that right now. Here is the box with all the regulatory information. If you want me to, I'll open this, but it's all the standard stuff and maybe some stickers. Yes, so you have Avengers, one cool looking stickers from Avengers, but let's keep that aside. But here is the sweet little Iron Man case. Sweet little Iron Man case that you can put on the OnePlus 6. So here is the case, and it fits perfectly, if I may. The buttons look really good. This is also, and the shape, the case is really good. So for an Avengers edition fan, this is a dream come true if you buy the phone. Let's also turn this on, turn the phone on, and let's just keep that aside while we take a look at the last thing that we get inside this box. So let's see if there's any special Avengers animation that's going to it's not yet come, so let's just keep it here. And now removing this, and also removing this SIM tool. Here is the golden plaque that you get with an Avengers edition OnePlus 6. So this is from Thor. So this is Thor. So there, OnePlus has released a lot of Avengers Edition boxes, and in all of them you'll find plaques from different characters in Avengers. And if you manage to get all of them together, and it makes an Avengers logo, and you'll get a special gift from OnePlus if you do that. So here is our Thor pack. And the little interesting thing is, from all the people that have got this box in India, all of them have gotten Thor. I've never seen anyone get anything else. So I'm really sure what OnePlus is trying to do with it, but let's hope that we try and get all of these pieces together. So now we've booted up the OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition OnePlus 6, and it has the Iron Man case on. And coming straight to the home screen, we see an Avengers Edition wallpaper first. So other than that, we can also see a cool little clock widget, which has also been customized to set with the whole theme of this thing. But I think going into wallpapers, we'll find a lot of Avengers Edition wallpapers. So there's Thanos. These are Infinity Stones according to Aryan. And there also you get a lot of OnePlus stock wallpapers, but I don't think you're going to apply that wallpaper when you have such cool wallpapers sitting on your smartphone. Looking at the notifications panel, you'll see this cool little theme which follows the theme of the phone. So as you saw, the gold accent, that's the exact same color that you'll find in all the settings. So the whole UI has been tweaked a little to go with the whole theme of the phone. So you will find that in the settings also here. Going into customizing, we'll also find that thing here. So going to themes, there is the default theme, there is light. The default theme is what once comes with every OnePlus 6. There's light and dark theme that also come with every OnePlus 6, but this has a special option, which is the Avengers Edition theme, and that is what it is running right now. So I think that's pretty cool. Like the Star Wars Edition last year, there's no Easter eggs or any that I know of right now. I have seen a lot of unboxings for this phone, but I haven't come across any Easter egg other than the case and the plaque. But yes, that's all that comes with the Avengers Edition. Yes, and the other extra feature that you get with the Avengers Edition phone is obviously the storage. So you have 242 GB free on this phone, and that's crazy. So you get 256 GB version with the OnePlus 6. So that was the unboxing and a quick first look at the Avengers Edition OnePlus 6. I'll take the case off so that you can take a look at this beauty. So that is the OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition with the Kevlar back, the gold accents, and the beautiful Avengers Edition theme inside. So with that, we come to an end of this unboxing and first look. The Avengers Edition is going on sale today. So there's a link in the description and you can go ahead and buy your OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition right now. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.